Hello, this is Jim Bordeaux from The Social Experiment once again, and today we're going to teach you how to make fabulous, stunning Facebook memes from your computer. And these are the ones I've been kind of sending out just to show everybody, but I'm doing it through a free software. So I'm going to reveal the free software right now. I'm going to introduce you to my new best friend, Pablo. I keep wanting to put this other guy up there, but no, this is the guy right here. Pablo by Buffer. Design engaging images for your social media. Okay. Try Pablo. It's free. And it's really good software. Okay. So if you look over here, here are the images you can choose from. And there's quite a few to go through. Bunch of different images that you can see right in here. If you want to shuffle the images, that's right here. If you want to search for certain images, like if you want, say you like beaches, we'll put that in there. And then it comes up with all these different beach images, which is really cool. So let's put this one in there for now. Okay, I like that one. I like ones where you can edit or put the meme right in there. Okay, so this is your actual text. Okay. Now, what's interesting here, you can add your own text by double-clicking in the box, highlighting there, and I'm going to say, hello, or not. Hello. Okay. Just to show you the different things we can do here, if you hover over the different fonts, it'll change the font for you, just like that. I'll go with a weird one. Okay. You can bold this out. You can put it in italics if you wish. And there's 3 different settings for the font size. You can also change the color if you want to. We're going to keep it at a white for the purposes of this demonstration. Okay. So this is going to be your meme part right here. And if you notice over here, there's different sizes. There's a big, like Pinterest type thing. You could actually do an ebook cover like this. If you're just putting it into ConvertKit or to Aweber or something like that, you could use this. Use it as a lead magnet. Use it as an advertising for your website. You can use it for many different things. So I just wanted to show you that one. And then there's the next size. It's a little bit smaller. And these are the ones I'm using for Facebook and Twitter right now. So I just wanted to show you that. These are the effects. Or take the effect off. If you notice, it's kind of hard to read. So we could put that on a black if you want. Let's do that. Also up here, what I failed to mention, this is Justify. So right now it's right justified, left justified, and centered. And you can pick any one you want. There are a couple effects here I really like, and then there's one that I don't, but it's up to you what you want to do. This puts everything into black and white, which is actually pretty cool. This one pretty much fades your whole image out into nothing. That's the one I really don't care for. And this effect kind of puts a little layer between you and the image, and so you can actually see what your meme is saying. Okay. So now we go down here. Notice you can put in a header. You can put in another caption. This is what I'm doing when I put in our social experiment page. So we'll just, and I'm going to make this up right now, www.social, because we don't have a website right now. Experiment, okay. Hey, I just created a new product. Experiments, mints. There we go. Just kidding. Okay. So you can put that in there. Your awesome header. Just put hello world. I don't care. But to show you exactly how we're gonna make this, I would put social experiment in here. Again, I really can't spell that for some reason today. Okay, so that's done. And here's your text. What's interesting about the text is that it could be a quote from you, but they have their own quotes right here that you can add. I'm going to put this back up here. We're going to go down to a lesser. Okay, and I want to change the font. You can also drag this. If you're going to use a center justify, you want to put it in the center. So there we go. And I'm actually going to left justify this. Okay. And I kind of like it in white. So we'll do that. And I'm going to not bold it out. Okay, there we go. So courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. Mark Twain. And you can get a bunch of these different quotes. They have all kinds of things that you can use for your social media. You can brand it your way. You know, the other nice thing, I'm going to go down here and show you this. This element section, you can insert logo or graphic. And I'm going to go into my folder, which I taught you in the beginning when I told you to put in your logo in your images so you'd know where everything is. And now I have my social experiment thing right here. You can't really read it, so let's adjust it just a bit. I can put it right here. And look, you've branded this whole thing according to you. And then, of course, you can also put your own quotes in there, like I've done that too. Go ahead and put this in a black if you want. If you think it looks better. You can use a different image if you want. If that image just isn't working with what you want, which this one is, but, you know, just to show you how you can change everything up on the fly. Okay. So that's how I do it. That's how you can do this in Pablo. Another thing would be if you wanted to, instead of using this as a quote, you could put in here, new training on how to name your business, which is coming out soon. You can put that in there. Okay, let's double click on this. Okay, let's go to, let's make this a little bigger. Let's do a different font. And let's center this instead. See, when we're doing this, we can make this bigger too. And then you could add another image if you would like, instead to replace that icon image. Do this. Put this up a little bit. But you get the gist of how you can make this into whatever you really want. Okay, so that kind of looks pretty cool. And you can post this to wherever you want. Now, in another video, I'm going to show you how to use what's called Buffer. And it would automatically share this to your Facebook, your Twitter at optimal times for, you know, your audience. So when the people are the most active, it would automatically post for you up to, I think, a week or 2 weeks or something like that. But when we go through that, you'll be able to see that better. So you can get a handle on your social media. But for right now, we're just going to click download. So this comes up as a file or a photo. So I'm going to take this file and I'm going to go to, oops, it already did that. Well, anyway, I would put it in my folder of Facebook memes, which I have already done. And then it's easier to get it up to Twitter or Facebook. So the next step is going to be to put this into Twitter or Facebook, and that is going to be in just a second here. We're going to transition into that video right now. Hello, and this is part 2 of the video. This will be a lot shorter than the first part of the video. It's really simple to add these, so I'm going to do that right now. We're going to add our meme to Facebook, and you just go to Add Photo, Video, Upload Photos. This will go right to my account, or right to my folder. I have a folder for Facebook memes now, so I started doing this. Gotta wait just a second for the photo to come up. Post, and that looks incredible, doesn't it? Well, it looks really nice. Okay, Twitter. Well, I had posted one before, so I'm going to use the other one on this one. And we just open tweet, and it does take a second here. Okay. This is Google+, so here's another place that you can do this. Let's go to the communities. Go to communities. Actually, I just got to go home and I'll post it on my own. What's new with you? You hit the little photo button. You're going to have to upload the photo. And I'm going to select this one and open it. And you could comment on this, but since I have the link right there, that'll be fine. Also, you could have put the link up in here too that they could click, which probably would have been a good thing. And then they have share buttons too, but we won't need that. So that's it. That's how to publish your Pablo meme to Twitter, your Facebook page, and Google+. I appreciate your time and thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot. And more of these videos are coming as we go forward into naming our business, or go forward into creating a website. We will go forward into creating a podcast and putting it in iTunes. We have so much more to come, and I just really appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. Thank you. Have a great day.